In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your features you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps under one of those sections and click on the best option for you to apply it. Allow or don't allow. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!